Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, Naturallyads here, and Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I am bringing you the plan with me for the week beginning January 17th to 23rd in my OK Plans memory planner, using this kit called Wonderland from CaressPress and a snowflake bundle from CaressPress in Sparkly Hollow. So this video is going to be a bit different because I've lost the footage for the plan with me and I didn't want to miss any plan with me this year. So I thought I would come and talk through the spread with you guys. So you're going to see after the pen, which you can see my ugly handwriting, but it's okay. I got this idea from PlanWithAds because she did it once when she lost her footage. So yeah, before I start, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. And I'm just going to go ahead and tell you what I did for the base and then go through the day by day. So let's hope that this goes well. Okay, so let's start with the sidebar. Let me zoom in a bit more so I can show you everything. So in the sidebar, I used this 34 weeks sticker from PMD Stickers to know I was 34 weeks pregnant, and the baby was the size of a rock melon. And then I used this pill sticker from Paper Shire to note that I had low iron. Yeah, so starting with Monday, I used a backpack sticker from Carly Plans and a work script from the foil bundle to note going to work. I then used this Olive Studio like side character and a Moody Madam script from Adobe Designs to note that was a bit moody. I then used this Glam Planner Kiss Mask sticker to note that I had really bad groin pain. And then use a house icon from the kit and a mortgage script from Adobe Designs to note sorting out mortgage stuff. Down to the bottom half, I used a Joy of Planning Girl to note that I was experiencing some Braxton Hicks. Then my husband gaming with the Meat Plans gamer and video game sticker. I marked my husband giving me a foot massage with this foot massage sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio. Then I marked going to bed early with a bed sticker from Carly Plans and a bed early script also from Carly Plans. So let's move on to Tuesday. On Tuesday I used a bed and a sleep in script both from Carly Plans. I used this baby appointment sticker from PMD Stickers and a midwife appointment custom script from the Planner Pixie Code to note a midwife appointment. I used this Joy of Planning Girl to mark that everything was all good in terms of the baby. I then marked my iron, being told that my iron was low, with this pharmacy sticker from PlanWithAds. I used this waffle sticker, I think it's for Mick Plans, and a breakfast script from Carly Plans to note that I went to my mum's house to have breakfast. I think I brought a waffle with me and I ate that. I then used another backpack sticker from Carly Plans and a work script to mark work. There's extended on this day, so let's see. I use a house sticker from Carly Plans to note rushing home, and then a girl from Joy Planning to note that it was a relaxed day at work. I put everything out of order, but it's just how it fit. I then use a car sticker from the kit to note that there was traffic on my way home. I used this girl from the Pink Diamond Planner Code to note that I had an antenatal class, the second part of it. Don't mind my handwriting. I used another Joy of Planning Girl to note having cramps, and then another one to note having a backache. All linked to the Braxton Hicks I had been experiencing. On to Wednesday, I used another Carly Plans bed sticker and then a tired AF script from SBC to note being really tired. I marked this work the same way. I used this Munchkin to note missing my husband, and then another Joy of Planning sticker to note being in more pain. I used this alarm clock sticker to note that it was a really long day at work. I'm not noted taking a nap with a pillow sticker from Carly Plans and a Nap Queen script from SBC. I noted my husband gaming with a gaming sticker and script from Mick Plans, and I marked another foot massage with a sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio. They looked like that, so I just cut the feet and turned it to that side so that I could alternate the stickers. So that's the first half of the week. This quote box over here is from Tilly Journals, and then this January script is from Planner Hannah. I forgot to mention that. Let's move on. On to Thursday. So, are you focused? Come on, let's focus. Okay, on Thursday I used this vanilla like rainy day sticker to note that it's really cold that morning. I went to work the same way. I used another munchkin to note missing my husband. Down to the bottom I used this constipation sticker from Paper Shower to note that my belly was running, or I had a bellyache, but that was kind of part of my pregnancy. At the end I had lots of runny tummies, but yeah, if it's TMI, sorry, but I wanted to mark everything that was pregnancy related so I could remember it. So I marked my husband gaming again the same way with the Planned Duo. I used this YouTube play button from I think PMD stickers and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. I used another PMD stickers girl to note going to bed early, although I didn't lie on the couch. I thought the colours matched. To Friday, I think there's an extender, yeah there is. I marked work the same way, and then I used this Kylie Plans tissue box to note that was loads of kids off work with COVID. I used another Joy Planning girl to note that was really sleepy, that was at work, so I used a Sleepy AF script from SBC. I really love the new scripts from SBC. I noted having some cramps with this girl from Joy Planning, and then I used this like notebook and pen sticker from the kit to note that it was a really long day at work. When I got home, I noted taking a nap with a bed sticker from Kylie Plans and a Nap Queen script from SBC. Into the extender part, I used another Mick Plans Duo to note my husband gaming, and then I marked a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the foil bundle and a binge Plan With Me script from Temp Loves Crafts. I used another PMD's YouTube play button and a YouTube binge script from Hannah to note a YouTube binge. I used this couple sticker from PMD stickers and a Time for Snuggle script from Randy.Plans to note cuddling with my husband. And then I noted another foot massage with a sticker from Cat Studio. Sorry if you can hear my mum in the background. She is working downstairs, but she's a bit loud, so hopefully you can't hear it, because I don't want to do this again. Okay, on to Saturday, I used a Cat Studio couple sticker and a sleeping script from Sticker Box Stickers. No, it's not Sticker Box, Sugar Box Stickers to note sleeping in with my husband. I noted making breakfast with a breakfast sticker from Paper Milk and a breakfast script, if you can see it, yeah, from Kylie Plans. I noted going to my mum's house with a house sticker from Kylie Plans. Then I noted getting my grocery order with this grocery girl from PMD stickers and a grocery script from the kit. I marked cleaning my mum's house with this girl from the Honeybee shop and a cleaning day script also from the foil bundle. I marked packing my hospital bag with a bag and pack hospital bag script. Well, this script was under this from PMD stickers, but I cut it up so that I could put it like this. And then noted cleaning some toys that I was gifted for the baby with this toy sticker from I think it's from PMD stickers, but I'm not sure, and a clean script from SEC. And then I marked my husband gaming with the same duo sticker of from Mick Plans. Finally, on to Saturday, I used the same stickers to note sleeping in, so Whimsical Cat Studio, Sugar Box stickers. I used another Kylie Plans house sticker to note going to my mum's house. This time was for a hair appointment, so I used this hair appointment sticker from Kylie Plans and an appointment script from the foil bundle. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner from Sugar Box stickers and a binge Plan With Me script from Temp Loves Crafts. I then noted my husband gaming again with this Mick Plans Duo. I don't know why I always mark it since he does it every day, well almost every day, but I just like marking it, I think. I used this I used this TV sticker from the foil bundle and a TV binge script from Mick Plans. I used another Joy Planning sticker to note cramps, and then I used this PMD stickers crib to note that my husband ordered my baby's next to me crib. So yeah, hopefully this was okay and the sound is okay. If not, then this will be a voiceover and you won't hear any of this. But yeah, let's just zoom out and show you the full spread. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you thought of this spread. Let me know what you think of if I lose the footage. Would you like me to just skip the whole video or do it like this again? Just let me know. So this is the final spread. I'll give you a bit of a wiggle. Can't show you what was left of the kit because it's now packed away. But I decided not to colour block the spread because I didn't think the colours warranted it. But I don't remember what colourway from Kylie Plans I used. I think it might have been the neutrals. Yeah, the neutral colourway from Kylie Plans. they really match, like the greens and the greys and the browns, they really match really well with this kit. And I always pull in, if I have it, the foiled boxes, and add it at least one in every day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.